Hi, I'm Eric Lee, and this is my 2011 Ford F150. This is actually a 2011 FX4 I bought brand new, drove it for about 2 years, and then I slowly started to acquire actual Raptor parts off Craigslist and started to slowly build it. After phase 1 was complete and I had it fully changed over to a Raptor, I decided that I wanted to upgrade. So I got bigger fenders in the front, better shocks, same thing in the rear. I went with the through the bed rack and got the extra spares. So when we go down to Mexico and you get a flat, you're not stranded. It also holds 2 extra gas cans in the back so we can get further down the road. I had a bumper before that kept like bending out because it was a bolt-on. So this one's actually welded in and built right to the frame. It actually looks really good. I've got 35-inch Toyo tires. These are the RTs, which happen to be my favorite tire of their collection. I've got 17-inch method race wheels with true bead locks.
When you say true bead locks, what does that mean?
True bead locks, this ring is a separate piece and it actually locks the bead onto the tire. So if you get a flat, your tire doesn't just get thrown off the wheel, which in off-road happens a lot. I also had Camberg plate and gusset, the lower control arm mounts. Those are all stronger, and we welded up all the stock body mounts for the Fox 3.0s. That way that won't break when you're going hard down in Baja. 3.0s, coilover, 3.0 bypass, and 4.0 bypass on the rear. I've got Camberg upper and lower arms, spindles, KC highlights on the rack, hood, and the front bumper. That's a brand new front bumper just built by Kibitech. We just finished that up yesterday. ADV front fenders. In the back we have the SVC bed cage with the Fox 4.0s, 2 spare RRTs on the Method race wheels. We have 2 trans coolers. CBR makes these great coolers that we actually had custom coated. They're ceramic coated. They look better than the bright aluminum. And then I have the Pro Eagle jack, which is honestly the best off-road jack out there. This spot right here is a power tank, so I can air up and use power air tools on the road. And then these hold gas cans, roto packs. Up here with the KC light bar, we made an actuating bar so I could still fit into parking garages.
That's cool.